Okay, Rams. I think the time has come. The time has come for you to roll over. Yeah. Yeah. Dang. Watch those legs. Okay. Ready? Come and get it. Come and get it. You know you want it. Good job. Come get it. Come get Crixus. How about that? Hi, Crixus. Come and get it. Come and get it. Need a little more momentum, buddy. A little more momentum. Look at this thing. It's all stripy. Aww. Now that's a good pit bull. Oh, do it. Come on, do it. Come on. Oh my goodness, you're so close. Oh, just a little further. I know it's hard. I know it's so hard. You can do it though. You can do it. Okay, Crixus. His feet are not popsicles, mister. Don't cry. Don't cry. You're about to roll over. That's the most exciting thing in the world. Come on. Come on, dude. Come get this zebra giraffe thing. Come get it. Probably tastes good. Oh man. Romeo, you are so almost there. No crying. There's no crying and rolling over. Is there? Is there? No, there's no crying and rolling over. Okay, come on. One more time. One more big push. And then I'll leave you alone. Nah, I won't. But still, try one more time. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come get it. Come get this. Whatever it is. Come get it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Remember what we talked about? You're not allowed to cry. You're too happy, but you can roll over. What was that? What was that? You almost did it. Yeah, you did. You almost did it. Oh, babe, you're so close. You're so close. You just need to get angry. You just need to get angry at the roll. Tell it who's his boss. Oh my goodness. Oh, that was such a good try. That was such a good try. Good job. I know. I'm going to keep recording. It's going to be the longest YouTube video ever. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. You can do it. Oh, that one leg is in the way. That one leg. Okay. Come on. Come get it. Yeah, come get it. Oh, tuck that leg under, tuck that arm under. Oh, you're gonna get it, I promise. One of these days. One of these days. Yeah. Yeah. You're gonna break your heels kicking like that. Who's the happy baby? Who's the happiest baby? You want to come roll over to get the camera? Roll over to get the camera. Come and get us. There's the start. There you go. Uh-oh. Ruh-roh. No crying. No crying and rolling over, remember? Yeah. Buddy, that arm is just in the way. I don't think you're ever going to do it. Unless you put that arm down. Uh-oh. No crying. No crying. Oh, poor babe. Are you aggravated because you can't roll over? Alright, we're going to stop. You did such a good job, though. Yeah, you did such a good job. Good job, buddy. Say bye. Oh, alright. We'll try one more. No, you're tired.